Alright, I believe I am recording. Hello everyone, this is my first video for YouTube. Hopefully I'm gonna do this every day for the summer. But yeah, short story, I'm in college, studying CS, and yeah, trying to be a software engineer one day. Right now I will switch my screen. Let me know where you guys want my camera to be in the comments section if anybody ever sees this video. On the top left, top right, or the bottom. I usually keep it in the bottom right. But as you can see, this is my YouTube. I don't usually do YouTube videos, but I think I'm going to start doing them now because I think it's a bit easier. But as you can see, I stream a lot. I stream like every day almost, and I stopped because of finals and just a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you can just click my profile. But I'm just trying to let you know who I am. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. We can go to my Twitch right here. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, this is my Twitch channel. I usually stream here as well. All my ads are just gonna be Tech with Madi. So if you're seeing this, it's just Tech with Madi. Yeah, everywhere. Just YouTube, Twitch, even TikTok. Hopefully it doesn't play some stupid sound. Of course, Clash Royale. This is my TikTok. I usually post like stupid memes or any kind of TikToks, but if you want to follow along, these are some of videos if you want to follow some stuff I do. And when you're seeing this video, if you click the link below in the comment section, is gonna have all these links to wherever you want to see me on, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, my LinkedIn, and the Discord community. That's the number one thing that I wanted to provide for you guys. My the Discord community, we have a good amount of people. But yeah, we have 122 members. Me and my friends been doing this, and who inspired me to do these YouTube videos and streaming and all that. This is shout out to Noah. He does this every day, almost about to hit 1,000. But yeah, he's been grinding. Hopefully join him as well. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. I don't know if that was boring or not, but the main point of me doing these videos is to just code every day. Streaming is kind of harder to code and do stuff and entertain the chat, so it's kind of hard to be productive and all. But that's why I wanted to start doing this YouTube thing, this everyday challenge thing. Yeah, just streaming is kind of harder. That's why I wanted to do this YouTube thing out. But yeah, I think today usually on YouTube, I think I'm gonna just start doing the NeetCode on stream. NeetCode on YouTube. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my LeetCode up, get a little bit better. I have a decent background in Python. I'm pretty trash, so hopefully get better doing this and be better at problem solving. Yeah, so I guess we can get straight to it. If you guys want to ask me anything in the comment section, it's cool with me. So I'll answer or wherever, or join the Discord, and I'll be active on there. But here we go. This is the first problem. Let's see. So contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears more than once in the array, otherwise return false. Given an integer array nums, so nums, return true if any value appear more than once. 1 2 3 3, so 3 is true. 1 2 3 4 false. So I believe we can just do, how can we do this? Let me think. We could do let me think. Of course, a for loop going through the integers. Okay. Mind you, I'm pretty trash, so you always gotta start somewhere, so just start right here. So for num in nums, let's just print the num. Oh well, we have to return. We'll just print num. See what happens. I like doing print statements just to check everything. See what happens. Okay. Ever your output has to be a boolean. Oh yeah, it has to be a num. This is wrong. I have to range num. There we go. Run. What is the problem? This object cannot interpret as an integer. This has to, if I do len, that just means for what? Oh, for a parenthesis. It's gonna be wrong. I know. Just mind me. Just don't mind me. I'm fucking washed. So, trying to get a little bit better. Your output. Your expected return type is boolean. Your output was none, but expected return. Hold on. Okay, I get the error, but I just want to see what's outputting. Your output's nothing. Do I have to return them? And nothing happened. Let me see. I haven't done this in like 3 weeks, man. I'm so fucking trash. For num and nums. Well, obviously, nums is a list and integer in translation of boolean. Wait, so is num boolean? Is it a boolean for num and nums? Okay, what happens when I print nums? Num. What happens? So confused. Oh, so this will output what? Okay, well, what about if I put print x, man? Like, what happens? Is that printing it? Nothing happens. Like, what about if I put pass? And I do print. Oh, dumbass. Don't mind the birds outside, stupid ass fucking. Boom. Cool. So it's getting the num. So we're right. So for num and nums, what I'm thinking in my head is if the okay, given an integer now, we have to see if there's an integer that's produced twice. I'm getting a call. Let's do if okay, for num and nums. Oh, okay, I have an idea, boys. I have an idea. If I put, let's just say x is equal to 0. Well, I put minus. Wow. X is equal to 0. So for num and nums, for num and nums, if holy shit, that's wrong. What I was trying to do is put a what I was trying to think is if this number is equal to this number, but I need this number to be nums already. Scratch that. If I do you should aim for O of N. Okay. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. This is what I am not capable of right now. For num and nums, if num how do I fucking okay okay man, I'm stuck. Well, what I'm thinking is like we got the first number, right? We have to check it. We have to check if it's the same as the second number, and then the second number check if it's the same as the third one. I know that's like the longest, like, I don't know, time complexity, but I don't know any other way, which is what I'm gonna do after I get it right and learn it. For num and nums, if do I have to do another? Okay, how do I check it from the next one and the next one? Okay, n equals num. No, for n for num check in nums if num is oh fuck, what am I doing? I just need to set something to be the first one. Oh, okay. I think if you should for num and nums, if num is okay, let's just try stuff and then we'll just move on, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of like in a point where it's like, dude, nothing's working in my head. For num and nums. So now we're checking each number. So we got the first number, and how do we check the second one? If they're the same, move on. That's where I'm at right now. If num is equal to the num Dude, fuck, bro. See this hint. I never learned this yet. Well, shit. I guess we're using it now. We're gonna learn it now. Okay, should we ask ChatGPT or let's just do like this? Hashing data structure. Hashing is a technique used in data structures that efficiently stores and retrieves data in a way that allows for quick access. Hashing involves mapping data in a specific index, okay, in a hash table, an array of items. Oh, the module. So that's a list, and the list stores. Wait, I don't get this. X is the. Okay, the list, and this will be 1. This will be 2, 3, 4. I see how it is. Okay. It enables fast retrieval. The great thing about hashing is we can achieve all 3 operations: search, insert, and delete in all one time on average. Hashing is mainly used to implement a set of the string only keys and okay. Let's ask ChatGPT. I am a beginner and I know the fundamentals of Python syntax, and I would like to learn about from the beginning to the end. Holy shit, I said begging. Alright, what is hash? A hash is a value generated from some input using a hash function. It is mostly used to quickly store, retrieve, or check for data. Think of it like you give an object like a name, and the hash function returns a number hash code that points to where it's stored. So based off of our thing, if there are two codes that show the same value, then that would turn into false, is what I'm like thinking of. Okay, what is a hash table? A hash table is a data structure that is used to hash functions to map keys and values. In Python, this is implemented as a dictionary. Oh, fucking dictionary. Okay. A simple hash table in Python. Student ages. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay. Oh, so we should put it into there. If 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh, like 3. Okay. How does it work intentionally? Behind the scenes, each key is passed through a hash table. This gives a hash code, an integer. Okay. The hash code decides where to store the value in memory. If two keys hash the same spot, it's called a collision. If two keys hash the same spot, it's called collision. That's where we do that's where false would come. Oh, sorry, true would come. Python handles collisions using something called open addressing or chaining, depending on implementation. What are hash tables fast? Average case for lookup, insert, and delete is all one const time. This makes them very efficient for like counting, fast lookup, and membership checking. Holy moly. Wire hash was fast. Okay, no. Keys in dictionary must be hashable. Have a hash method and immutable value. Strings to invalid examples. List dictionaries. They can be keys. Create a dictionary. Boom boom. Add or update. Grades Alex. So grades Alex equals 88, and this would be boom. Delete del. Okay. Check. Honestly, let me check something. I done this before. I forgot because I'm stupid. By the way, if you guys are trying to learn to program, I think you should use boot.dev. It's pretty good. Dictionaries. I think let me just practice a little bit of this, and then I guess we'll go back to the problem. Dictionaries in Python are used to store data value using keys to value pairs. Dictionaries are a great way to store groups of information. You gotta use curly braces, add key value pairs. So car equals, so the brand, Toyota, model, Camry, year. Okay. Here the car variable is assigned to a dictionary containing the keys, brand, model, year, and the corresponding values are Toyota. So I guess we have to store this. What should we name this? Num underscore dict is equal to an empty dictionary. For num and nums, if I do num underscore dict and I append the num here, what would happen if I print the num underscore dict? Let's see. What? Oh, why is it outside of the thing? Is that what's the problem? Unindent. Okay, wait, run again. What the fuck is this here? For num and nums, num underscore dict, append the num into the dictionary. Dict object has no append. Should I just fucking name this something else or something? Is that the problem? Is that like something else? Numd, bro. Fuck it. Numd. Append? So how am I supposed to get the numbers in the dictionary if it's in a list? Oh, what? But this it says the numbers in a list. You should aim for a solution with O of n time, O of n space, where n is the size of. So I guess you can't append. Let's search up this error. Let's understand this. Dictionaries in Python has no attribute. Like the error message suggests, dictionaries in Python do not provide an append operation. You can instead just assign new values to represent keys in dictionary. Oh, I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. So if we do num underscore d, the num, and then we print. But am I tripping, or that indentation shit is like messed up? I don't know. Print num underscore d. Holy shoot! I'm so sorry. What? Invalid syntax. How was it when you assigned it? No. Another developer on our team has introduced a bug. Fix the bug. The get character function takes another name. This is not what I need. Hold up. This is not. Fuck, bro. How, oh my god. How do you add something new in a dictionary? Where did I learn that? Where did I learn that? I swear it was right here. Whoa. Dictionary. My god. Oh lord, I did the wrong thing. Please, damn. How to add something new in a dictionary. Oh, there has to be a new key. Fudge. What do I put here? Like, they need the num. He's gonna have to have a new key. How do you generate a new key? Okay, what I'm thinking is that it's gonna go through each number, and each number, if the number the thing has to have a special key. Excuse me. Oh. If I want to add something, like, I need a new key each time. Ah, man. I don't know. I'm gonna just try this. None D. Let's just say What if it's empty? Just curious. Is it valid? Fudge. For num and nums, num d, boom to num. So what we need to do is just add something new into the empty right here. And I need a key. Do not give me the answer, but please give me a hint. I would like to solve it on my own. Okay. My code. Command copy. Why is it still loading? That's being weird. Using the dictionary set to keep track of what you already seen as you go through the list. For each number in nums, check if it's already in the dictionary before adding it. Also, in your current line, num d is that. Think about what the key should be when you add in the dictionary. That's my goddamn problem, because I don't know. How do you, like... Think about the key should... Think about what the key should be when adding... Okay, the value should be a number. Should it be like... Brother, I don't know. You know what, bro? I'm literally gonna just do this. Numbers, bro. Let's see what the fuck happens. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't want to like keep on GPT. It just doesn't make sense. Like, I have to have a key, bro. And it's empty, numd, key, and the num. Hold up. Hold up. It said it down here, huh? Boom, it's empty. Wizard hat. Oh my god. It's supposed to be fucking brackets. It's supposed to be brackets, fam. Such an easy ass thing. Holy shit. Whoever's watching this, you didn't see that. Actually, I want to try. Whatever. We'll run it. See what happens. I don't even know what happened. So I'm just gonna delete this and see. Invalid syntax, yeah. So you're gonna have to have something in there. What about if I put oh, nice. 1 1 1. Flipping way. But the expected type was boolean. Your output was none. But the expected return type is boolean. Oh. I guess, yeah, look, like, so it's 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Okay. Okay. If... Why is it doing that, though? 3, 3. Oh, because there's 2 of them, they can only have 1. If if x, if fuck, if num, if okay. Let me just do back to the print. Let's see what GBT can give a hint. Before adding num to the dictionary, check if it's already there. If it is, you found duplicate, you can stop it. That's what I was thinking, but my problem was I was going to do it after it. So, which makes sense. You have to check before, then add. Because, yeah, okay. You can't just add it, then fucking check it. No, this makes sense. If, how do you check if something is already in there? If num underscore d num in num underscore d if not return true. Do I fucking, why is it lowercase? I'm just gonna do true. Else return false. Holy moly. Okay, let's look at my logic. Okay, if I run it, it's obviously gonna be fucking some bullshit going on. Yeah, doesn't even fucking run. There it is. Key error 1. What? Okay, so for num and nums, if num underscore d num in num d that would be weird. Yeah, I know. I know. So what I'm doing is, if this is in there, so else return false. Num d for num and nums. If num d num is already in the dictionary, else return false. I think you have to do this first, bro. This case 1 accepted. Case 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why did it return true? Okay. Something's wrong. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what? An error for sure happened. Okay, well. So this doesn't have if 1, 2, 3, 4. It return expected output false, but it returned true. No, this is. I think I understand what it's doing. It's so each number is getting it, and then it's storing the new. What is it called? New key and value. It's storing the new key and value. So if that key. Okay, this is like the stupidest shit, but I'm so curious what will happen. Yeah, then this would be working. I'm like low-key like brain farting. I'm not really good with this LeetCode stuff, so just please forgive me. I'm trying to get better. You're really close, but there's a final hint. You need to start in the right direction. You're adding the number to the dictionary before checking if it's already there. Okay, I don't get what I'm doing. Before num and nums, I'm adding the number. If the number is in there, if numd in, oh, if it's in. Okay. Holy moly. I'm lost. Because there's no numbers in it already. There's no numbers. What happens if I print num underscore d? Bro, why does it do that? Like, fucking run it. Oh my fucking, this stupid indentation thing, bro. I don't want to print it. I want to see, like... This is... I'm like... so... confused on what is going on. Okay, he's gonna say some bullshit right there, but I didn't mean that. Okay, you're on the edge, but here's a focus hint. You're trying to check if numd in, but numd will raise an error if num is not in numd, right? Yeah, exactly. That's why it works when you put it before. Instead, you should check, is numd already in? If we're checking if the num. Oh. What? I get it. So if the num, this should be the the stupid, what is it called? The key. We're checking if the key is still in there. So for num and nums, if that num, which is the key, is in the num, is already in it, return true. But why is it not returning true? Else return false. Let's think. Why is it returning false? So the num underscore d equals brackets for num and nums. If num in it's not. Is it? There's no num, so also return. Else this would be wrong. So if okay, curious. Very curious. I don't care. I know it's wrong. Leave me alone. Whoa. I meant right here. I'll return true because it's checking if the num is already in there. Oh, I didn't mean that. If num and numd, you're still returning true or false too early. I am returning. Oh my god, man, it's killing me. I get it. So this. Okay, let's just breathe. Okay. Empty dictionary. Numd. For num and nums. So it's getting each one in the list. If num is already in num, return true. Okay, this is the wrong thing. Just run it. This should be wrong. Dude, why the fuck do I have to run this twice for this to work, bro? What does this mean? I don't even know. False. Expect output true. I'm returning it early, it says. You're still returning true or false too early. You need to go through all the numbers unless you find a duplicate. Unless you find a duplicate. So return false should happen after the loop. If no. Oh. If num not in num underscore d, we're gonna return false. Huh? Did I get confused? Yeah, if it's not, like, you type error, which line? 37. Type error, your output was none, but the expected return is not a for loop? It is. Ah! Dude, I hate this. How long has this been? It sucks when you knew everything and it just like you forgot, bro. If num bro, what the fuck? I don't know. You only return false if no duplicates was found after checking the return, so that the line should go after the loop. What the fuck? It's not comprehending thought for a few seconds. Here's what focus on. Drop the second if not and check inside the loop. Right after you add num to d. Okay, let's just... Okay. If num not in d, if that number is not in num d, return false. Line is unnecessary and it hurts the logic. You're already adding the num to num d. After checking for duplicates, so no need to check again. Right. So oh, this won't even, it won't give me anything. Yeah, it returned nothing. Sorry. Was that what we had before? Yeah. You only return false if no duplicates are found after checking the whole list. So that line should go after the loop. After the loop. For num and nums, if num and num d return true, num d equals num. Next time, bro, I'm watching my flipping face before I do all this, because I'm like low-key lost. Num d is an empty dictionary. For number, so it's getting the key. For key and nums. If num, the integer and num, so the key and boom. If the key in is it already in, return true. If it's not, num d no equals the num, so it's storing the ones. Return false. Yeah, this is annoying. What the fuck did I do? What the flip? The line return false is still inside the loop. Brother, you talking about like outside? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Oh my god, the stupid space thing. Holy shit, bro. So for num, let's see the solution. Oh my god, I would love to watch a YouTube video right now.
Everyone, welcome back, and let's write some more neat code today. So today let's solve contains duplicate. This is another problem from the line 75 list of questions we've
God damn. It's kind of loud, huh? Hold on. Alright, I lowered it down. If it's equal to each other. That's pretty cool, because I kind of like that approach. I never even thought about it. You sort it, which it already was. Damn, hold up, bro. Hold up. I would like to try something. Num okay, num equals, let's say num equals 0. For num in nums, let's just say I. For I in nums, if num is, if I is equal to num, we will do return true. Return true. Return true. Num, num equal to I. Else return false. Holy moly. Okay. Why is it still returning true? If I do holy moly, sorry. Bro. Wow. Holy shit, it was just for that. I'm kind of curious, what would be... Okay, no. For I in range, Oh shit, it sorts it. Yeah, you gotta sort it first and then check if it's cool. Let me go back to what I had it to so I can compare to what he's doing. Yeah. You'll have it. Yeah. Return false. Return true, sorry. Yeah. Before you add it. Then you return false. Okay, I am curious about something because I've never seen this before. How is this hash set equals set parentheses? is hash set parentheses. How do you do it? Hash no equals set parentheses equals set parentheses different than the way I did it. Does that just mean it's an empty set? Like I don't understand what that is. Okay, you know what? I have an even brighter idea. Should we do like a shift print screen and then do this? Explain the difference between my code and the solution. Alright, let's see what he says. Because your codes are right with the visual and both are solving the same problem. So it's using a set. Using a set, which is perfect for checking if something's already present. Fast lookup. If a number's already in the set, it returns true. If not, it adds the number and continues, returns false. Clean, efficient use for your codes are right uses a dictionary. Isn't that the same shit? Dictionary. Using dictionary instead of a set. You're storing the number as both key and value, which is unnecessary. The logic works because you're using the keys of the dictionary like a set. But num adds extra memory usage, storing duplicate data. It's slightly less readable and not semantically accurate. You're not using the dictionary for key value lookups. Well, next time I'll use a set. The data structure set. Mind you, everybody that's watching this is everything I learned right here. I am not at the data structure level, but I'm doing this because I want to learn faster. So now I know you store it in a set, but the thing is, what did it say? What did it say here? Like a hash set or a hash map. Hash map. Well, I guess we solved this one. Let's see. We're going to do tomorrow a valid anagram. So given two strings s. Oh, I was checking the reverse. I've done this before. Hopefully I remember. But yeah. Let me switch scenes. Thank you for whoever's watching this. I know it's been an hour, 10 minutes. I don't know how long the video is, but yeah, I'll be uploading this. I'll be doing this every day. Just tune in. I'm trying to get better every day. And I know I suck. I'm trash, but I gotta start somewhere. So here I am. Thank you for watching this. If you see this, anybody, I appreciate you for tuning in. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. And click the link in the bio. Hit me up anywhere. Alright, guys. See ya.